Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. I'm TJ and today I will be unboxing the iPhone X Space Gray Edition. Packaging is very similar to Apple's other devices. Some of the phone's features are 64 gigs of internal memory, a 5.8-inch HDR OLED display with a pixel resolution of 458 ppi. The processor is an A11. It is IP67 splash, water and dust resistant. On the rear we have a 12 megapixel wide angle and telephoto lens. The front camera is 7 megapixel and it has Face ID. Let's get this opened. First up, you are greeted with a Designed by Apple in California booklet. We have the iPhone button layout, Apple stickers for the Apple lovers out there, and the SIM card removal tool. I will come back to the phone. Onto the accessories. We have a wall charger, EarPods, a Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter, which is always a welcome, and a Lightning to USB cable. Let's take a look at the phone. First impressions, the phone feels great. The typical solid feeling iPhone quality you've come to expect. This time around in an awesome space gray colorway. Oh yeah, nothing like a fresh Apple out of the box. Guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and let me know in the comments below what color did you pick for the iPhone X.